Broken bread. So I couldn't sleep last night, and I couldn't count Wooloo, as I had a severe lack of them. So I started counting the next best thing. Forks. As I was busy fork counting, slowly becoming drowsy, the Pikachu who constantly stalks me started chanting. Fork in the outlet, fork in the outlet, fork in the outlet, fork in the outlet, fork in the outlet. I earned myself a Pokemon Vivid Voltage ETB. The contents of this box, we're just going to get right into opening the packs. So what I want today is what the collection community is calling Chonkachu. So it is a Pikachu Rainbow Rare that's currently going for $300. So I brought my pal here, so hopefully he can bless this pack opening and we can get that card. Alright, let's get right into it. Upside down code. Upside down energy, the signature. We've got Heroes Metal, Galarian Stunfisk, Sableye, Chatot, Clobopus. He's climbed out of the ocean there to come wreak havoc. Skiddo, Shuppet, Haunting a Town, Ferroseed, Heroes Metal as a reverse, and on the end we have a Baynet. That's some nice Banette artwork. Very creepy Pokemon, but not as creepy as Mr. Mime. I do like Banette. His smile is intimidating, but charming in some ways, I suppose. Alright. Upside down grass energy. We've got Dusclops, Rocky Helmet, Galvantula, Phanpy, Shuppet, Poochyena. He looks like he's been backed into a corner by a group of bullies and is getting beaten, which is a terrible card design. Let's not destroy puppies. That's a better version of a puppy actually enjoying life. Toucannon and a Regirock holographic. Put that right up there. Let's get these mess of cards out of the way. Alright, so there's the code. We've got Electric Energy. Gotta power up this Pikachu over here. We've got Loudred, Zebstrika, Coding Energy, Drillbur. I feel like this, maybe I did open Vivid Voltage before, because that artwork seems familiar. Clefairy, Wailmer, Tynamo, Execute, Yanma Reverse, and on the end, just a killer bee. This code card, 3 to the front, we've got that energy. Memory Capsule, Go-Goat, Ferrothorn, Execute, Eevee, Woobat, Arrokuda, Seedot, Yanmega, and on the end, a Lucario doing some Dragon Ball Z moves. Never actually seen the show, but I've heard of it. Dark Energy. Shove that in the bank. Got Macargo, League Staff, Krokorok, couldn't pronounce that for a minute there. Poochyena, Voltorb, Rockruff, Talo is made of clay. I think that's just an actual tree branch. Looks like it, anyway. Yanma, Moo Cheese. What a strange card. Metagross. So we've only got 3 more packs left, and nothing great so far. I'm feeling a little bit disappointed. But we'll keep going. Keep trudging along. Got the Grass Energy upside down. Cargo, Drone Rotom. I didn't know this version of Rotom existed, but I'm a fan of it. Swoobat, Sandile. So I actually have a bearded dragon, and this reminds me a lot of him, and I really like that card. Wilmer, Weedle, Beldum, Phanpy, just trying to sneak attack on that Teddiursa, Galvantula, and Donphan. I only got 2 more tries left. I don't know about this. I've even powered up the Pikachu with an electric energy in them. I'm concerned. There's the code. Got another electric energy. More power for that Pikachu, so I'm feeling good about this pack. Sirchester Bath. Hitmontop. Swoobat. Woobat. Irokuta. He's pretending to be the shark from Jaws, right there. Seedot, Phanpy, Shuppet, Nincada, and a Snorlax Holo. It's a nice Holo. What a no VMAX cards yet. Got one more chance at this. One more chance to get that Chonkachu. All right, there's the code. We've got Mightyena, Trumbeak, Hitmontop, Drillbur, Oshawott, Duskull, Ferroseed, Railu, Poochyena, and Samurott. So our only pulls that were any good from this this unopening were Regirock and Snorlax. So I'm a little disappointed. I guess sticking a fork in an outlet actually just hurt my chances rather than helped them. But if you guys are here, I appreciate you watching. If you like this video, stick around for some more. Subscribe. I'm going to be doing some more openings in the future. I got some stuff on the way. Some Champions Path and Leonhardt's special box, which came a little late for me compared to everybody else, because I got it sold out really quickly, and then I was able to get like the second round of it. So I'm excited to open that and get like those special cards that he has. So yeah, thanks for watching.